This is Luke from Total Parts Pro today with a 2016 Ford Ranger, stock number 6702. It's ran from the 6th of 2015 to the 4th of 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Front bonnet. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Centre console lid, automatic air shifter. Interior mirror, front courtesy lock, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,